Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Bitcoin address or any other cryptocurrency address on Binance application. The same goes for the desktop version of Binance. So first of all, let's go and find that Bitcoin address. You go to wallets, click deposit, choose Bitcoin. And after that, you will need to go ahead and choose the network. So for example, for today, let's choose BNB Smart Chain. After that, you will see here a QR code and deposit address. And as you can see, there's no option to change your address here. So what you need to do is go back to the home page. And at the top right corner, you will see those headphones. So you want to go ahead and click. This is a support chat. And you want to go ahead and contact the support and ask them to go ahead and change your Bitcoin address because maybe it was leaked somewhere and you want to go ahead and do that. So just go ahead, go through this FAQs. If you will not find your question here, you can just go ahead and contact them right there at the bottom, get support. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.